Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore the word of preposition. So first of all, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or pronoun and the rest of the sentence. It often answers questions like where, when or how. For example, the book is on the table. She is waiting at the bus stop. Prepositions might seem small, but they play a big role in making sentences clear. Preposition of place tell us where something is. Let's look at a few examples. In used when something is inside a space. Example, the phone is in the bag. On used when something is resting on a surface. Example, the book is on the table. At used for a specific point or location. Example, she is at the door. Next, talk about preposition of time. Preposition of time which tell us when something happens. In used for longer periods like months or years. Example, I was born in July. On used for specific days or dates. Example, we have a meeting on Monday. At used for specific times. Example, the show starts at 7 p.m. Finally, preposition of direction tell us how or where something moves. To indicates movement towards a destination. Example, I am going to the park. Onto describes movement onto a surface. Example, the cat jumped onto the bed. To describes movement into a space. Example, he dived into the pool. Now, let's summarize everything we learned with one picture. First one is, the phone is in the bag. In is preposition. The book is on the table. The person is at the door. A boy is running to the park. The cat is jumping onto the bed. The swimmer is diving into the pool. Now, it's a practice time. First is what? The keys are dash the drawer. Second one is the clock is dash the wall. Third one is she is standing dash the gate. What is the answer of these blanks? And answer is this. First one is in, second one is on, and third one is at. Did you get them all correct? Let me know in the comments. At the end, we can say that prepositions are like the glue that holds sentences together. Mastering them can make your English clear and precise. Thank you for watching me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more exciting lessons. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.